BTS are kings, always making and breaking different records, but Jungkook is on top. He is known as SNS King by ARMY. He has already broken 21 records in year 2021. Let's have a look on his great achievements. Most real-time viewers in V Live history. 13.5 million people are watching Jungkook's recent live broadcast. Most real-time comments in V Live history. The blue-haired Jungkook's broadcast also achieved the most real-time comments in the platform's history. The number was about 10.2 million comments. Cookie's blue hair broadcast also achieved 10 million views in just 22 minutes. This is the fastest time to achieve this number in V Live history. Only individual hashtag on TikTok to have over 36 billion views. Jungkook continues to hold this record, however BTS Jimin is coming close with his record-breaking 30 billion views on TikTok. Only person with 5 tweets over 1 million retweets. Jungkook is the king of Twitter, so his blue hair picture destroyed most of the Twitter's records. Jungkook joins former and current President of United States Barack Obama and Joe Biden as the only people in the world to have more than one tweet over 3 million likes. Only person with 2 tweets over 7 lakh comments. His blue hair has launched him into being the first person on Twitter over 7 lakh comments on 2 personal tweets. First person to have 3 tweets over 5 lakh comments. Jungkook is the first individual to have 3 of his personal tweets surpass 500k replies on Twitter. Fastest tweet to reach 1 million retweets. Jungkook break his own record and has surpassed 1 million of his retweets in just 12 hours. His previous record was with his blonde hair selfie in 16 hours. Fastest individual tweet to reach 1 million likes. The tweet also reached 1 million likes just in 46 minutes. Fastest tweet by an artist to reach 2 million likes. The tweet soon reached another million in 7 hours. Fastest tweet to reach 6 lakh comments. Jungkook's previous blonde hair tweet was the fastest tweet to reach 6 lakh comments in 9 hours and 46 minutes. Jungkook's blonde hair selfie was the fastest tweet to reach 200, 300 and 400k comments in Twitter as well. First and only Korean idol to have 2 solo charts for 50 weeks on Billboard World Digital Song Sales. Jungkook's My Time broke several records, including being his second solo song to chart for 50 weeks on Billboard. Euphoria was the first. This made him the first and only Korean idol to have 2 solos with 50 weeks on the chart. Euphoria continued its hold on the chart for another few weeks, making it the first solo song to chart for an entire year. This was the first Korean B-side track to be streamed 200 million times on Spotify. First BTS solo to enter Spotify's top 10 most streamed BTS tracks. BTS had made several solo tracks over the year, but Euphoria was the first to earn a spot on BTS' 10 most streamed songs. Jungkook's 3 number 1 songs in the Billboard World Digital Song Sales chart. BTS song Stay, composed by Jungkook, also reached on number 1 on Billboard World Digital Song Sale chart, the first B-side song from the album B to reach on number 1. Jungkook was the first member to earn 3 number 1 spots on Billboard's digital song sales. The songs were Stay, My Time and Your Eyes Tell. First ever K-pop song to top the year-end charts of US Amazon's best-selling songs. Along with charting on Billboard, Stay also went on the top of the charts of Amazon's best-selling songs. First Korean idol solo to reach 200 million streams on Spotify. Euphoria was also able to become the first Korean solo song to be streamed 200 times on Spotify. First BTS solo to reach 200 million streams on Spotify. Each member has a solo track, however Jungkook's Euphoria was the first to stream 200 million times on Spotify.